they all related?
It looks like 3 of them are.
Oh, yeah? You don't want to go back in that bucket yet. Are we pink collar for a girl and blue for boys?
I think that may be it.
I think so, yes.
That was a very good guess.
Yeah,
That was very perspicacious.
Got a little bit higher.
These will be perfect puppies here. Perfect puppies for New York City. We've got some Chihuahua mix going on in here for a lot of them. They're going to be so happy wherever they go. It takes a team of people to make this happen, and we're all doing it. Yeah, they're like so excited they're gonna be ruining it later.
Hi.
Get in there somehow. Chase her.